There we go.
Hey!
We're going on a really fast ride.
Yeah.
Really fast, look at this.
Yeah.
Really fast.
Really fast.
Look at that.
I'm
Driving
terrified.
tractor.
Are you terrified? You watch where you're going, you're driving.
Oh gosh, no, driving tractor. Wait, it's great.
Look at this maniac. He's not even watching where he's
You
going.
could actually put some real animals in it.
Yeah, that would be cool, wouldn't it? You know when I'm videoing, I can take photos as well, look, at the same time. So you press that one. Ready?
Yeah.
Yeah. Photo!
No. Did you see how far it went?
No, I couldn't see from up here. We're going on slide 3.
Yeah, and that's the one right.
Okay.
Look, like you literally can't see it.
I've been on it before.
No, but Dad, when I went on it, the light was so much better.
Was it? A lot of stairs. You're having fun?
Yeah.
Yeah?
I nearly lost my voice.
Yeah?
Yeah.
You've been on the most scary ride here, haven't you?
What's that?
That one over there.
Oh, you can fall.
The Eagle's Claw, yeah?
Yeah.
You going on it again?
Yeah.
Yeah? You're very brave.
Yeah, I'm like, Toby says I'm the bravest 9-year-old he knows.
Yeah, you are. Bravest 9-year-old I know. I don't know any other 9-year-old who would go up there. I certainly wouldn't. I'm not 9.
Ava definitely did.
Nah, she wouldn't know, would she? Are you sure?
No.
Pretty cold up here, isn't it?
Yeah.
Look how high we are. We're very high, aren't we?
Yeah. Don't look down, guys. It's here.
Don't look down.
We're here. We're here. Yeah.
Going on that one over there, aren't we?
Yeah. We're here. Finally.
Positive?
Oh, yeah. Yeah.
Straight across like that. Yeah, you're tall enough.
Yes.
Just about. Are you sure you want to go on it, JK? Such a powerful thing, isn't it?
Sorry, Jay.
It's fine.
Eagle's Claw's better anyway.
Next year he'll be able to go on it. Next year he'll be able to go on it.
How are you going?
What, are you a bit scared to go on that?
Yeah.
I
Are you sure?
When I was at now George.
What's wrong with going on that?
Yeah.
Yeah, you can go on Eagle's Claw. And it's...
That is so nice.
Hey?
That's so nice.
No.
It's not nice.
No.
Does it make you feel sick?
Yeah.
Start Eagles Fall.
Okay.
Back to Eagles Fall.
You look a bit sick. Struggling. Immense fun now, isn't it?
Oh my god.
Hey?
I was trying to squash you into a wall.
I was trying to do the same with you as well. What did you think? What?
Just slammed right into the back of it. Pushing me into the wall.
Oh my god, it was so much fun, wasn't it? That was so much fun, wasn't it? Hey?
I reckon rapid.
Toby had a fast car there.
I did not.
You did, you had the blue one.
No, he knows how to.
Yeah?
I've come on Lightwater.
For ice cream?
And he's put you
Later, baby.
I'll pay.
Oh, you'll pay?
Oh, it's going to be windy at the top.
Going up a conveyor belt.
Uh-oh.
Oh, not this thing again.
We got stuck up there last time.
Fun Toby's fun.
I reckon we'll get stuck again. I'm not getting wet. I'm not getting wet. Are you getting wet? Uh-oh. Bloody hell. Stop that place. Oh, Jesus. It's not very
I
nice.
don't remember this.
I don't remember it going this way last time.
Oh, no. Oh.
Woo.
It would be better if it was steep.
You reckon? Oh my god! Ah! No! Oh, my bum's wet.
Mine's not. I'm actually really dry.
Ah!
Oh, no.
You can hear him.
Oh my gosh!
He wants to go on again.
Did you like it? Let's have a rest from it first. You just had your dinner. Did you like it, JK? I didn't see how high it went. I was like, oh my god. That is so high.
I swear that went higher than numbers.
It's just like 2 or 3 different stints.
You've been on JK, you've been on the Eagle's Claw again. Right, what did you think of it the second time then?
That's good.
Hmm?
That's good.
Was it as good?
Yeah.
Yeah, I didn't hear you screaming this time like you did last time.
That's because there was a lot of people screaming, but I was screaming, right, Toby?
Yeah? I didn't hear you say, oh my god, this is amazing!
Didn't need to.
You didn't need to?
I already said it.
Yeah, you did. I've got it on the other video. Yeah. Where we're heading now then?
Anyway, you want to be an opportunity.
Where we're heading now?
Dodgems.
Dodgems.
Actually, now, Rapids. Depends
Rapids.
which one has the smaller cube.
Dodgems for me. I'm quite happy to do the
You don't
Dodgems.
want to do the Rapids.
Yeah, we'll do the Rapids. I quite
Wait,
enjoy the
depends which
Rapids.
one has the longer cube.
Yeah. Well, the queues aren't massive, are they?
The cube, that's who the trauma tower
They're
is.
still long.
The queue for the Trauma Tower is?
Yeah.
Yeah, it was that time. Alright then, Dodgems it is.
The